What?
You'll make the lists. All right, so single of Black Diamond, 24, 38 Black Diamond, 17, 18, single box break. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody.
I like Black Diamond. You like Black Diamond?
You like? Of course I like Black Diamond.
Great product.
Well, this year, Predict is flawless. So does
You hear that, Mike? Great product.
Who?
Mike.
Mike is a good guy.
Mike is a cool guy.
All right, so Exquisite, Black Diamond. So we are going to start with Exquisite as always. Rookie patch. It's a 4-color patch. 253 out of 299. Colorado Avalanche. Tyson Just. Oh, nice start. 4-color patch. White, blue, silver, and red. Not red. Alright, let's do the Black Diamond pack. Well, we can. Still no diamond, but I think we got a nice set. Starting with a base card out of 249. Buffalo Sabres. Jack Eichel. Next, we've got a rookie gem autograph out of 199. Minnesota Wild. Luke Kunin.
That's a new boy, huh?
I hate him. Well, nice for Minnesota. If you have Minnesota, that's nice for you, but I don't like that guy. Luke Kunin.
It's a good prospect.
Next, we've got a booklet. Dual jersey out of 199. Colorado Avalanche. Tyson Just. There it is. Tyson Just. Out of 199. Next, we've got a rookie team logo jumbos. Arizona Coyotes. Clayton Keller. And our last hit is a rookie gem out of 299. First picked overall is for the New Jersey Devils, Nico Hischier. Nice hit for the New Jersey Devils. So that was single of Black Diamond. I'll be back in 5 minutes for 5 boxes of Trilogy. Second half of our enter that we did yesterday.